Hi, today I'm going to show you where to find your courses for any term. This is our institution page. This is the landing page that you'll see when you log into Blackboard. We'll go over here to the side to where it says courses. And there are several ways that you can sort and filter your courses. One thing that you can do is you can search for your courses. So if I wanted to look at all of my 2022 courses, those are listed there. I can also filter my courses here with courses I teach, courses I support, open, private, hidden from me courses, which is one thing that we will talk about. And there are also two ways to view your courses. You can view them in a list, or you can view the tiles here. If I have some old courses that I will see when I list hundreds of them, one thing that I can do is I can come and I can hide the courses. So you can click and you can choose to have those courses hidden. You click the three dots here and you can hide the course. And then if you want to find all of your hidden courses, you can click here. Right here in the middle is where you can search courses by semester. So if I wanted to look at my last fall classes, my current courses, or even the upcoming courses, we can search using this drop down. You can also toggle using these arrows with upcoming classes and previous classes. So those are some ways to find your classes. This spring semester class, those are listed here, and then I can come up and find my fall classes. Your fall classes are open now, so happy searching and copying.